Okay, well, you have custom code that essentially covers three general areas. The first one is background, the second one is menus, and the third one are headlines. And and all that stuff can be found here in skin design. Okay, once you understand the background concept, you'll be able to figure this out easily. But the way the background works is each of the places where we have specific background styles for um, essentially has two parts. It has the area background and the area page background, right? So you see top header area background, top header area page background, header area background, header area page background. What you're looking for right now is the header area background. But the way this works is that if we come back over and look at this, the header area spans the entire width from browser window to browser window, but the header area page spans just the width of the page. So, for example, go to this page wrapper. You can see the spots that are orange are parts that are not part of the width of the page. The part that is blue is the page. So you've got the header area, which is everything, and then you've got the header area page, which is just the width of the page. And the header area is behind the header area page. So you can have one thing going on in the header area and another thing going on top of it in the page. But in any case, the styles you're looking for are found, or the style for the header area in particular, is found here in the main header area. That's, in this case, the header area background. And you can change the background color by choosing one of the background colors that you've set up in your skin colors, or you can put your own custom color in, or you can put background images in, or that kind of stuff. But that's where you would change your background. Um, the place you change the page headings. Now you're thinking about them as H1s and H2s, but the H1 or the H2 is not as important as knowing that it is a page heading. And so if you come down here to page titles, I'm sorry, it's a page title. If you come down here to page titles, you can choose, the skin color a if it's not a link, right? So a regular page title on the page is not a link, but you can also choose the styles for when it is a link. So you can choose the link color and the hover color in the case that it is a link. And so on the blog page or on the archive page, it's a link, right? On the page itself, it isn't. So you essentially have three places to choose from when you're picking your color for your page title. And then finally, you had the menu styles. And again, we got, tons and tons of options for the menus, but you are working in the header menu. So all of those styles that you customized with custom code can simply be, you either choose the color from the list or you enter your own color for each of the link text, link background, hover text, hover background, and current text and current background. So you have a wide array of choices for that. It goes quite a bit further. For example, you could also style a submenu separately. And then for a menu that looks, if you need something that's not an ordinary part of that, you can look at these supplemental styles. And then, a supplemental style would allow you to add a background image to a menu item. And all you have to do is pick which menu it applies to, whether a supplemental menu, header menu, or the main menu. And then, you can put border around menu items. You can do all kinds of stuff if you need to. So hopefully you found that useful. I will be releasing documentation here shortly and have a whole new set of seminars for this version of Agility coming up in the next coming weeks. So anyway, hope this helped.